Today we're finishing up our self-management unit and then going on into our social awareness unit. So today I want you to make sure that your self-management assignments are turned in. Most of us did daily mindfulness together in the classroom where you chose from one of the links each day. So you had this slideshow. You were able to go to day 1 on Monday, day 2 was Tuesday, day 3, Wednesday, and day 4 was Thursday. We were not in school on Friday, so you did not have to do day 5. After you chose your link and watched, then you went back to classroom, clicked on the reflection, and completed the reflection for each day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. You did not have to do this part of the reflection. I need you all to make sure that you have turned in your reflection. So mine doesn't look the same, but on yours up here, you'll see a turn in or a submit button. You should make sure you hit that so that I can see your reflection and give you credit for it. Assignment 2 was Oh Fudge. We all did this together. If you were in class, if you were at home learning, then you would need to watch the video, look at the slides, and complete the reflection. There's also a flip grid that we completed. So all of you did this in class, or maybe you were going to do it at home. And I want to remind you where you can find the link. So if you go into Stream instead of Classwork, Stream, you'll see that I posted the link for each class. You'd click on your Flipgrid link, join with Google, use your school email, and then you can begin recording a response. You can also see the responses of your classmates depending on your grade level. So I have a 6th grade group, 7th grade, and 8th grade. You need to make sure that you get this Flipgrid recorded so that you can get credit for it. After you've done that, you are completed with, you have assignment 2 completed. Assignment 3, I never really talked about this in class. These are mindfulness resources that if you would like to look at them, oops, I need to go back. If you would like to look at them, you can see multiple links for different kinds of mindfulness activities. Feel free to check those out today before we wrap up our unit. Then finally, assignment 4 was the Smiling Mind activities. Most of you got this on paper. In the classroom, it was a packet, and you were working through each one, and there were different mindfulness activities. If you're doing this at home on your iPad, you need to choose 10 pages to do. So this would count as 1, 2, 3, and so on. But you can actually choose out of the 22 total pages, you can choose whichever 10 you'd like. So if you're like, I don't understand how to do this, or this sounds boring, go on to the next one and see if that's a better option for you. If you're in the classroom, we will finish the packets today and make sure that those are turned into the drawer. Finally, oh, that was it. That was all 4 of your self-management assignments. Please let me know if you have any questions, either by emailing me or simply commenting on each assignment. For example, if you were in there, oh no, that's not how you do it. Well, you get the picture. Okay, good job guys, bye.